Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. For few months I will be teaching on the study table instead of that whiteboard, as I have to change the setup of my classroom. So kindly cooperate with me and rest everything will be as earlier. Now let's start the class. In today's class we will do question number 12 of exercise 3.2 from chapter 3, which is playing with numbers, from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Okay, this question number 12 is fill in the blanks. So question A, B, C, D, E and F are given up in the book, but in this board I have written only A and B. Okay, after rubbing this I will do B, C, D and E, F also, but there is less space and I have to explain these two, so I have left the space. Okay, so now let us do this A and B part first. In question number A, it is saying that a number which has only two factors is called a prime number. I will write the answer first. Is called a prime number. Okay, the number which has only two factors is called a prime number. Means a number which comes only in two tables. Okay, in the table of two numbers. Like the prime numbers start with 2, 3, 5, 7, not 9, not 10, 11. 11 is the prime number, 13 is the prime number, 15 is not the prime number, 16 is not the prime number, 14 is also not the prime number, 17 is the prime number, and so on. So why do we call these numbers? And there are many other prime numbers also. Okay. So why these numbers are called prime numbers? Because these numbers has only two factors. Means these numbers comes in only table of two numbers. It comes in one's table and it comes in the table of itself. Means 2 comes in one's table and 2 comes in two's table. Like 3 comes in one's table and 3 comes in three's table. Like that 5 comes in one's table and 5 comes in five's table. Like that 7 also comes in one's table and seven's table. These numbers does not come in any other tables. Okay, I will show you how. See, like I'll take the example 11. 11 comes in one's table and 11's table. See, 1 11's are 11. Okay, and 11 also comes in 11's table one time. 11 ones are 11, but this 11 does not come in any other table. Means these numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. The number itself and 1. It means these numbers, these prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. It comes in only one's table and the table of itself. Okay, like 19 is also a prime number. Okay, it comes in, it has only two factors, because all the prime numbers have only two factors. Means it comes in only the table of two numbers, that is it comes in the table of 1 and it comes in the table of itself. Like 1 19's are 19 and 19 ones are 19. So these numbers, the prime numbers, have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Understood? So a number which has only two factors is called a prime number, and these numbers are called prime numbers. Understood? Now let us see what is there in the B part. B part is a number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Okay, is called a composite number. I will show you how. So what we saw, the number which has only two factors is known as prime number, and the number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Means that number may have 3 factors, 4 factors, 5 factors. Okay, so let us see. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on were what? They were all prime numbers, right? Prime numbers. But the composite numbers has more than two factors. So composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 10, 12, not 11, 12, 14, 15 and so on. These are all composite numbers because these numbers have more than 2 factors. See, we are not taking 1. Okay, for 1 I will explain later. Prime numbers start with 2, means the smallest prime number is 2. The prime numbers start with 2. This is the prime numbers. These all are prime numbers, and composite numbers start with 4. Okay, what about 1? I will explain you later in C or D part. There is a question like that. Okay, we will deal there. So composite numbers start with 4. These numbers have more than 2 factors. See about 4. 4 comes in 1's table, 4 comes in 2's table, 4 comes in 4's table. How? 1 4's are 4, 2 2's are 4, and 4 1's are 4. It means this 4 comes in 1's table, this 4 comes in 4's table, this 4 comes in 2's table. It means it has more than 2 factors. What are the factors? These are the factors of 4. So a number which has more than 2 factors are known as composite number. Okay, I'll take one more example. Let us take 15. Okay, 15 has how many factors? 1. 15 comes in 1's table, 15 comes in 3's table, 3 5's are 15, 15 comes in 5 table, so 5 3's are 15, and 15 comes in 15's table, right? 1 15's are 15, 3 5's are 15, and 5 3's are also 15, right? And 15 1's are 15. So 15 has how many factors? 15 has 1, 2, 3 and 4 factors, because 15 comes in the table of these many numbers. So 15 has more than 2 factors, right? So a number which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. So what we learned now? We learned about the prime numbers and the composite number. Prime numbers start with 2 and composite numbers start with 4, right? Now let us move to CD parts. See, these are questions C and D. Okay, what I said that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on are all prime numbers, right? Are all prime numbers. And composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15 and so on are all composite numbers, right? Composite numbers. So question number C is 1 is neither. So what is 1? I told you that we will discuss about 1 in the latter questions. So what about 1? See, prime numbers start with 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on are prime numbers, and composite numbers start with 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on are composite number. But we are not talking about 1. Then what? 1 is what? Is it a prime number or is it a composite number? No, it is not a prime number, it is not a composite number. If it would be a prime number or a composite number, we would have included 1 either in this list or in this list, right? But 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So this is not present in this also, in prime numbers also, and it is not present in composite numbers also. But we have to see why 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, we have to see how. So the answer we will write here first. 1 is neither a prime number. 1 is neither a prime number. Okay, it is not a prime number nor composite number. Means 1 is not a prime number, 1 is not a composite number. We say it like 1 is neither a prime number, 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Okay, I will show you how. Because prime numbers have 2 factors, means prime numbers comes in the table of 2 numbers. Okay, I have shown you how. And composite numbers have more than 2 factors, means composite numbers comes in the table of 3 numbers, but 1 is a number which only comes in ones table. 1 ones are 1. It means ones comes in only ones table. 1 comes in only ones table. It does not comes in the table of 2 numbers. It does not comes in a table of 3 numbers. Okay, it only comes in the table of 1 number, which is 1. So it has how many factors? It has only 1 factor, right? So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, so understood? 1 has only 1 factor, so it is neither a prime number nor a composite number, because prime numbers have only 2 factors and composite numbers have more than 2 factors. Understood? Now let us come to this one, this question. The smallest prime number is, what is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is 2. So we can write it 2 here. Okay, the smallest prime number is 2. Now let us do question number E and F. Question number E is, the smallest composite number is what? We have to fill in this blank space. So the composite numbers we have written here. See which one is the smallest composite number? The smallest composite number is 4. So what can we write? We can write the smallest composite number is 4. Okay. Now the next question is, the smallest even number is. What are even numbers? Even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on are known as even number. Okay, the numbers which are divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. So which one is the smallest even number? The smallest even number is 2. So we can write it. The smallest even number is 2. So understood this question? In the next class, we will do exercise 3.3 of the same chapter, playing with numbers, from 6th class maths NCERT book. If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the upcoming videos. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.